Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off Share My Contact on iPhone. So if at the end of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are a few ways you can use to do this. So the first approach is go ahead and turn off name drop. Go to your iPhone settings. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on General. Under General, locate and click on AirDrop. Now, make sure you turn off AirDrop here, and then disable bringing devices together, so that when you bring two devices together, you should not be able to share contact on your iPhone. And then again, while on the main settings page, you want to scroll down and click on privacy. So scroll down, click on privacy and security. Under privacy and security, locate and click on contacts. Then under contact, come down to the list here. Where you see full access, go ahead and revoke the access by setting this to none. Click on the application again, then make sure you set everything to none here. And then once you set everything to none, then you're good. Then you'll not be able to share contact on your iPhone afterward. So that is exactly how to turn off Share My Contact on iPhone. And that is it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.